Dig Safely New York has a new name and new look. UDigNY. Safe digging starts here. Visit udigny.org to learn more.
Hello, and welcome to Exactix, brought to you by Dig Safely New York. In this video, we're taking a closer look at how to utilize the Meet Location Request. A Meet Location Request is not for digging. Meet Location Requests are intended for an excavator to request a meeting prior to a construction project or a demolition with representatives of utility members impacted in the area of the future construction or demolition. Let's take a look at how the Meet Location Request differs from a regular location request on the Location Request Creation form. There are several areas on the Location Request Creation form that change for a Meet Location Request. These are Work Type section, Dates section, and Additional Work Information section. It is most efficient and best to change your priority ticket type to Meet using the drop-down options the moment you find out your caller wants to place a location request for a meeting. Meet Location Request. This is typically at the beginning of the call when you ask how you can help them. It is best because your location request creation form will change based on this priority ticket type. If you do not find out your caller wants a Meet Location Request until a later section, you may need to go back to the previous sections of the form to ensure it is filled in correctly. There are two types of Meet Location Requests. As previously mentioned, pre-construction and pre-demolition. Once you trigger the Meet in the priority ticket type, a Confirm Meet window will open over the Location Request Creation form. This window will prompt the question for your caller as to the purpose of the meeting. That is whether the meeting is for pre-construction or pre-demolition. Select the answer based on the caller's response. Based on your caller's choice of pre-construction or pre-demolition as the purpose of the meeting, the Work Type section of the Location Request Creation form will change to only have one field and be pre-populated to the pre-construction or pre-demolition option. Moving to the Date section, the meeting date and time field will be pre-populated with the first legal dig date, which is 2 full business days. To change the date based on the caller's preference, click on the calendar icon. A Meet Location Request can be requested from the date time of submission, now, up to 10 days from the date of the call. The Site Information section is intended to be filled out for the site of the planned work, construction or demolition, not for the meeting location. Move to the Additional Work Information section to input any comments for the Meet Location Request per the caller's preference, and then ask the caller if the site information is the same as the proposed meeting location. This will be auto-defaulted to yes, as most meetings will take place at the site location. If the meeting location is not the same as the site information, uncheck the box and fill in the address for the meeting location based on the caller's response. When you complete the Meet Location Request, it will be the same as a regular location request. The only exception will be for a pre-demolition work type Meet Location Request. On the Ticket Saved screen for a pre-demolition meeting, there will be an additional button at the bottom of the window to give the caller the opportunity to create a corresponding demolition location request at the same time as their Meet Location Request. Clicking the Create Corresponding Demolition Request button will bring you to a new location request creation form with the fields from the corresponding pre-demolition meeting location request pre-populated into the demolition location request. You will need to go through the form to complete the missing fields. See the demolition location request video for information on how a demolition location request differs from a regular location request. For more questions, see your internal Exactix guide or talk to the call center trainer, team leader, or call center manager.